I get your ID?
Hold on, give me 1 second. On today's Lending Listicles, we show you 6 documents you'll need to have ready to get the home loan process started. Number 1, identification. Let's be honest, this is the easiest one on the list. You just need your driver's license, passport, or government-issued ID. 2, pay stubs. To verify your current income, mortgage lenders will ask for pay stubs from the last 30 days, and they could potentially ask for an income letter from your employer as well. Number 3, W-2 forms. Your mortgage lender is looking for job stability and consistency with your income. 4, bank statements. Lenders will use these statements to find your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI, to determine if a mortgage payment works with your other monthly expenses. 5, credit verification. You're not expected to source out all your credit reports. All you have to do here is give the lender permission to see your credit history. And finally, 6, tax returns. Lenders will want to see tax returns for the last 2 years to verify income reported and your deductions. For more lending listicles and the entire list of documents, check out the Movement Mortgage blog or contact a Movement Mortgage loan officer near you.